Managing a fleet is no small feat. From keeping track of your repair shop operations, vehicles, technicians, invoicing, and everything in between, it gets a bit chaotic, to say the least. That's why you should always be on the lookout to adopt better solutions for smoother operations. With EMDECS, we value your time. We have built a centralized system to help you manage your day-to-day tasks with ease. Streamline processes, automate administrative tasks, create clearer channels of communication, and so much more. EMDECS ensures you make informed decisions by preparing for any potential setbacks ahead of time. With reduced downtime and improved performance, EMDECS saves you more time for what matters the most, whether that's getting home on time instead of staying late, or planning for the next step of your business's success. Let EMDECS help you take your business to a new level. Visit BrightOrder.com to learn more.